How to cancel your Shipt membership. Hello and welcome back everybody. Today we are providing you with a step-by-step guide in order to do so you can follow this method. So if you want to cancel your membership, you can cancel it anytime. Your benefits usually stay active until the end of your current billing period, so you can follow this method if you really want to cancel it. So once you are headed over here, you can go to your account or profile, look out for the menu in the top left and click on it. From there, look out for account and drop it down, account or profile option, and head over to profile. And within profile here, it will show you your email that you currently have, email and your other credentials. Similarly, you'll be finding an option called membership plan, etc. So here, look out for the section if you have already applied for the membership. So you can just go over and look out for your membership here that you've already applied for. And you should be finding a cancel option there. So just go and look out for the cancel option and go ahead and click on it. After that, just go and follow the prompts and you will be seeing a confirmation screen or email after it is done. You can just go over and confirm it up. And you need to cancel at least 24 hours before renewal to avoid being charged again. You can keep access until the end of the billing cycle. Shipt usually does not refund unused time, so you can just go over and do so. If not, you can contact their customer support page as well if you are not able to do it from the section, and that way you can cancel it. And also screenshot the confirmation screen. Check your email for cancellation confirmation. You can set a reminder before renewal dates to avoid surprise charges. And that is it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful to you. You can follow this method for now. So give this video a like and subscribe for more.